All right, everybody, just another quick edition of James Jam. I got my first Fashionphile box, so I'm all excited. I'm just going to show you what I've got, just do the whole little hands opening thing. I have bought a number of luxury items, never bought anything off of Fashionphile before. This is a complete unboxing. The only thing I did was take my address label off and open the top part. So I'm kind of excited. I see everybody do Fashionphile unboxings all the time. I found something, I just thought it was a great deal. It was something that I had been wanting for a long time, and I saw it, and it must have been on the site like a half hour, and I grabbed it. But so here we go. Here's my box. Oh, this is awesome. I didn't know if I'd get my file or not because it's such a small box, but I did. I like it. I like my money where I can see it hanging in my closet. So I got my Fashionphile file. And you got this nice little confetti. And then I have my thank you. Let's see. Thank you, Fashionphile. We're in good company. Oh, they're talking about their Neiman Marcus collaboration. Right, and then here's something else. I don't know what this is because this is all new to me. So let's see. Looks like some Fashionphile goodies. A couple things. Got a picture of what I got in here, so I don't want to show you yet. Shop and repeat. We want this bag back. Cash for your bags. And this was supposed to be in very good condition. Basically coming with everything that you'd normally get with it. Oh, look at this. Used as the new. And that's awesome. It does come in the box and with its original bag. So what I have here is from Louis Vuitton. Here's a little box. Here's a little, this is adorable, the little Fashionphile bag. And then it does come with the original Louis Vuitton little bag and item pieces. That's awesome. The little container, the little UPC, and it just says Louis Vuitton there. I did not know they had little tiny bags like this. This is adorable. So let's see. I'm gonna open this, and if I understand correctly, you don't take the tag off it until you know for sure you want it. So, I'm so excited. Oh, I like the color. I can see it already. Let's see here. Just trying to get it out. So I got, oh, wow, this is nice. Got this little Louis Vuitton little wallet. I already have one in pink, and I loved this blue. And I thought about pulling the trigger on it over and over and haven't, but oh my gosh, this is like brand new. Gosh, there's got a little blue interior. This is just beautiful. There's just not a mark on it. Zoe, that's what it's called, the little Zoe wallet. Opens up nice. Oh my gosh, the interior too is exactly like new. Just not a mark on it. There's the inside. I like this because you have a wallet. You can put complete dollars in there. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 card holders, and then there's also a little coin purse, and that's got the blue inside too. But I've wanted this ever since they came out with the blue. I just thought it was really, really sharp. This is Louis Vuitton, made in Paris. So yeah, here's my little Fashionphile unboxing. Let's see, the hardware looks really nice. No, it said there were light scratches. I don't see any on here. The hardware looks beautiful. I just love it. I love it. So this is my second Zoe. Like I said, it's got a little pink front. And, oh my gosh, this did not disappoint. I am 100% pleased with my Fashionphile purchase, and probably sure it'll be one of many to come. So, yeah, this just looks beautiful. So just another quick little unboxing. Just wanted to let you see what I got. See my first Fashionphile experience. Absolutely love this. It comes with a certificate of authenticity, and this is just beautiful. So again, just a quick little addition to James Jam. Want to thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that like button like they say. And until then, please do unto others as you had them do unto you. Thank you.